Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand horizontal lookup, that is HLOOKUP function in Excel. The HLOOKUP function in Excel performs a horizontal lookup by searching for a value in the first row of a table and returns a value in the same column from a specified row. The syntax for HLOOKUP is HLOOKUP into the brackets, lookup value, table array, row index number, and range lookup. Now, how we can do this in Excel? The only difference between VLOOKUP and horizontal lookup is that the search is carried out horizontally. So here we are having region, north, south, east, west, east, and the percentage which are to be given, the percentage discount to be given in these regions. Now, whenever I write here the region, it should give me the percentage. So let's say if I write down south, so the percentage which is relevant to south is given in the output. Now, how it is possible? So the syntax for HLOOKUP is, let me copy this here so that you can see nicely. The syntax is HLOOKUP J2. So J2 is whatever you write here about the region, which region it is. The search is to be carried out from I11 to L12. So I11 to L12. And the output is to be given of the second row. This is second. And false. So we want the exact match, and that's the reason we are writing false, not the approximate match. We want the exact. For example, if I write down here uh, by mistake, if I write wrong spelling, it will not give me any output. So we don't want approximate match, and that's the reason we are activating false for exact match. Let me try one more. I'll, I'll write down here west. Yeah, it's giving me 4%. So this was all about HLOOKUP function in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Excel. Please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please share and like my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.